Encased random is live at 7:11:54 PM Melbourne time. Participants. We're rolling 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That one. Teams. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So random is complete. This is the teams. Nick Power with Lakers, Paul Johnson with Spurs, Adam Amy Hawks, Austin Kelsey Sixers, John Deedon Kings, Almarave Grizz, James Irvine Blazers, Zach Nichols Bucks, Almarave Thunder and Nets, Glenbow Heat, James Irvine Suns, John Deedon Wolves, Irvine Bulls, Birch with Knicks, Clippers and Raptors, Tony Dunn with Cavs, Paul Johnson with Pelicans, Blaine with Nuggets, Liam with Mavericks, Andrew, Billy with Pacers, Birch with Warriors, Glenbow with Pistons, Almarave with Magic, Coulson with Jazz, Birch with Hornets, Dale with Celtics, Boyd with Rockets, and Coulson with Wizards. And that's the teams. So